Good morning all, J-Man is back with you from Silver Rails. Let's do our opening inside. We'll tell you more about this location for the Big Bend Model Railroad Association annual show and sale. Alright, so J-Man is back with you from Silver Rails. And I'm inside one of two buildings at the train show. Couldn't do this outside because they had a machine for frozen drinks and it was making a lot of noise. But anyhow, my dad, my brother, and I are here, and my mom, for the show. And let me show you some of the sights and sounds. Lionel O gauge layout next.
Second or so of low speed, and then it comes up to high speed, and it runs for half a day. Not really very long, but I would do the practice perfectly well.
So this next table has some neat ideas like beer for the troops, which I want to show you more closely. Just up from the beer train is a Harley Davidson train. Looks like it was custom painted. Yeah, custom painted Harley set, Lionel. Components $350.
John Long Silver Rails here, ready to do a wrap up from the 2025 Tallahassee Big Bend Model Railroad Association Train Show. Now, the Pensacola show back in April, in my opinion, was a great show for buyers. This one was a combination, partly great for buyers and partly great for sellers. At any rate, I got a pile of stuff here that go on the Lionel layout. So let's start with it and see what we can come up with. These are the old style cabooses, 6457. I need to rewire them, but I like them because they have the toolboxes and all the details. They're wonderful. Two of them, and I bundle them. I recommend if you want stuff at a train show, you do the bundling and the dickering. Now there's a show, an old show on TV called Down East Dickering or something like that. Watch those guys in action. Maybe you learn how to buy stuff at a train show. This thing here, I think the caboose were about $5 a piece. 10 bucks. Most people don't bother with these. I like them because I like to put Matchbox or Hot Wheels cars on them, which they seem to have been designed for, and they're really a lot of fun. Now some of them have plastic attachments for the trucks, and some have rivets. And the problem is that the ones with the plastic attachments. This one has the rivets, so it doesn't wobble too bad. These three things at the end are extremely important. Naturally, this one's missing one. They're what keep the cars from rolling off. This one has a chip in it too. If I want to fix that, I can. And I can make something to keep the cars from rolling off. But you get a bunch of Matchbox or Hot Wheels cars, sometimes you pay $0.25 a piece for them at a show or somewhere, and load up. They make great loads. As a matter of fact, there's one right there on the layout that has Hot Wheels cars on it. And then I got this. Pensacola show, I got a feather car by K-Line. This one's by Lionel. I think it was 10. This was $1 because it came in a bundle of 5 for $5. I like these little shorty cars. They're kind of fun to collect. They're very inexpensive. And you don't always want to run a giant long train. These are great. Wish I had them all, but I don't.